everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video. Today I have the GLiNet Beryl. It's a pocket-sized travel router, and it even supports VPN services and WireGuard, and it runs OpenWRT. Here's a list of the features it has. It has 3 gigabit ports, dual band Wi-Fi, up to half a terabyte of storage using a micro SD card. You can use that for media sharing. It has encryption, IPv6, and you can even route your internet traffic through Tor. So let's go ahead and get the packaging off, the plastic or whatever. Let me grab my knife. Okay, just cut through this real quick so I can peel this off. Alright, so now that the plastic is off, we can go ahead and take a look at the box. So it looks like this slides off. Alright, let's move this over. So here's the start guide and a support and warranty card. And here is the actual router. So as you can see, very, very tiny. Let me put it up against something. Hold on. Alright, I'm back. So here it is next to a mouse. As you can see, the mouse is a little bit bigger than it, which is crazy. But on the back is your Ethernet ports, a USB 3 port, and a USB-C power port. And then these flip up. You have a mode switch, like that. And your power button, and then both these antennas flip up. There's a light bar, and you also have some rubber feet. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up. I'm assuming this is just cables in here. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up, and then we will see how it all works. Alright, so I have it connected. I'm just going through the setup process really quick, so I'm gonna go through all this and I will be right back. Alright, so as you can see here, I have the router set up. I'm gonna blur out my IP and all that, but it does work. There's some really interesting stuff you can do around here. You can go into firewall, see all your clients and that stuff. Here's the VPN stuff. So as you can see here, I have the Nordvpn US Canada client, and you can also do like internet kill switches or route all your internet traffic through Tor. And if I flip the switch on the actual router, I'll go ahead and do that. I won't click connect, but if I flip the actual switch, it should automatically enable this. So if we just wait here, or maybe click back on internet and go back to the VPN. Yeah, so it automatically did that. So I have this right here, shows my actual IP address. I'm going to blur this except for the first 2 digits. But if I refresh the page now, you can see it actually does change my IP. So the VPN is working. And yeah. So overall, this router, especially how tiny it is, this would be really, really awesome to like throw in your backpack or something if you're gonna go stay at a hotel, or maybe you're going to like a public place or something like that, and you can connect all of your devices with the Ethernet ports. You can even change the WAN port to a LAN port, and you get over-the-air updates for OpenWRT. And if you go to wireless, you can actually disable your wireless. So it's pretty awesome. There's a lot of really, really cool security features here. There's a ton of stuff you can do. You can even do port forwarding or MAC address cloning. But yeah, that's my short little review on the GLiNet Beryl router. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give a thumbs up. If you didn't, do a thumbs down, and consider subscribing. It really helps out the channel. And if you guys want a free month of Nordvpn when you sign up, you can use my referral link that I will have in the description down below. But other than that, thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.